What's good, good fam? In this video here, I'm gonna tell you guys about the wonderful world of PureRef. PureRef is one of the on-screen applications that you can use to gather any image from any website, Instagram, Pinterest, ArtStation, any art website you go, or any other photo reference website you can ever think of. You can just drag and drop it into this little box here, and you can keep it on your screen as reference. Isn't that amazing? I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can use this app and implement it into your own artwork. So stick around to the end of the video and I will tell you some quick shortcuts and keys. I'm trying to get around to making better tutorial type videos where you guys can see the shortcuts that I'm clicking on. Apparently I got an app to show my keystrokes, but it's not working with PureRef. So I'm just gonna let you guys know, and yeah, I only use very few functions of this app. I don't do a lot. I just rearrange and organize my images the way I want it to be. And right now I'm doing a character creation and I am going based off of armor or weapons and like poses and stuff like that. To crop your image so you can just only have that and nothing else, you click on the image and it's going to be highlighted blue. You're going to hold on to C and then you're going to drag a box to crop whatever you want to show. You can press Alt and Control to enlarge your images. And I think if you just hit Control, no, if you hit Alt and then click on the corner of your highlighted image, you can rotate it too. But these are not the functions I use the most, to be honest. The ones I use the most is just Note. It's Control N. You can write down notes on whatever you have your references to just remind you what you're trying to use the images for, or something that you're just thinking about when it comes to those reference images. So I use PureRef and you can see here that I took those images and I made myself a character. This is an original character for one of my stories that I'm working on. I've been working on it for the longest, but I love it. I love it. Using PureRef has helped me to organize my thoughts and uh, just kind of put me in the direction that I'm trying to go when it comes to character designs. And it's not only this, you can also use it for landscape paintings too, and you can use PureRef for like anything, to be honest. Just to get your ideas on the board so you can just see it like a beautiful vision board or a mood board for what you want. I'm also doing this with my second character that I'm currently working on. If you want to turn your background from black to invisible, you can hit Alt 3. Or if you want it to be a white background instead of all dark, you can hit Alt 2. And if you want to go back to the black background or gray background, press Alt 1. So this is a character that I'm working on right now. At the moment, she's a spicy girl. And she is also another protagonist in my story. So you can see me here. I'm using Control N to write notes. And I'm really trying to get the hang of this like onboard keyboard keystroke tracker thing. It's my first time. Please be patient. I'm trying to get good at this. Yeah, I just like to keep all my ideas out there and so I can just write my little notes. It's super useful. You can even have this app hover above on the screen. So if you have Photoshop open, you can just drag PureRef into it and you could also have it on the screen while you're working in Photoshop. You don't also have to like copy and paste your reference images and save it into a folder. You can just have it all there on the side. If you want to realign everything, you can just highlight everything, go to images, and go to sort or align, and you can have them all set up like that. But I manually do all the aligning and organizing myself. Sometimes it works well for me if I do it this way when I highlight everything and just have it arranged like to be nice and neat. But I'm pretty particular about how I set up my references, so I just tend to like make them all fit anyway. But if this is helpful, just let me know. I forgot to hit record when I first started working on this character, so I'm like kind of, I wouldn't say midway in. I'll say I'll say 40% in. I do so much when it comes to lining my characters. I even uh, pop it into Clip Studio Paint to do some additional line works, and then switch it off to Photoshop to do some more additional things. I like to hop and skip around from different apps. Don't judge me. And see me hit Control Z forever. That is my bread and butter, the best shortcut tool for any digital drawing app. It's just Control Z, just to undo all your mistakes except for the mistakes you made in life. I decided to stick with closely to my main idea for my character. I just felt like I had it right the first 20th time. So I just took my traditional drawing and I just added more details to it. I did take some inspirations from other references, like the armor, the way how it would like be designed in a way, her mask on her face. So those, I guess those were like the only two elements I took from my references. Probably got some inspiration from the legs or the jeans, not jeans. Oh my god. I got some inspiration from her pants. I've seen some like new age ninja like streetwear, and I just love how baggy they are. So I just started adding that into the design, and I like drawing my women pretty thick. I didn't realize how thick she was until I filled in her skin tone. I ain't mad. I prefer it this way. She built like Chun Li. I'm just doing the regular rendering stuff, but I'm always constantly looking at Pure F at the same time to make sure that um, I got the tones in, or I have all the elements that I wanted to add into this piece. Even the references to the rope that's tied behind her back, like the bow and the little ornaments that she has. Overall, I think this came out pretty darn well. If you want to see the complete image to this, I will have it posted on Instagram. So, same name, Keegan Millhouse. You can find me there and see all the stuff I'm doing on the side. I don't only just post fan art, I also do a lot of fundamental stuff too. This is a this is a PureRef website. You can get this app on even Linux. That is crazy. It's a free app, but you can always donate to them, and I would donate if I had the cash, and if I was you, I'd donate too. But if you are also suffering from losing your job due to the Rona, you can get it for free too. But you can also go back whenever you got the time to, especially if you got that De Niro. I always support them. Thank you guys for watching this video. You guys have a goodie, and love yourself. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that other stuff, I guess, too.